Next is Philippine School
Teacher
Doha.
Jonah.
The project creators are Sabine Perez, Gian Sanaan, and Ruth Vistal. Coaches are Miss Jonah May Sanchez and Mr. Vince T. Gore. St. Mary's University, Bayongbong. The project creators are Axel Gutierrez,
Yan.
Zach Mabanglo,
Yan.
Elian Salem, and Nathaniel Turqueza. Coach is Miss Nisa Fel M. Zafra. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners in the Physical Computing Project category, Primary Division. St. Mary's University, Bayongbong, second runner-up. St. Louis School Center Incorporated, first runner-up. And the champion, Philippine School Doha. So pumayag pa po sila galing Doha just to receive the award. Yeah. And of course, to present the projects. So once again, congratulations to all the winners of Primary Division Physical Computing category. Let's give them a round of applause.